Connect a USB-B device to a USB Type-C port on a laptop, desktop computer, tablet, or other device. Connect the USB-B port of a hard drive, hub or other device a USB Type-C port. Designed to support USB 3.0, USB 3.1 Gen 1, communication and features. Backwards compatible with USB 3.0 devices. Color-coded blue and labeled to designate USB 3.0, USB 3.1 Gen 1, feature support. Connectivity technology, USB 2.0. Connector type, USB-C to USB 3.0B. Top reviews from the United States. Just the cable I needed. A shame I wasted $70 on the Apple FW800 connectors. They were not the right solution for my Glyph 4T FW800 Studio drive. Glyph finally sent me the link to the correct product. If you have lots of old and useful drives around which are not USB-C, check with the manufacturers first before buying adapters. Great USB 3.0 cables. I have always thought most highly of the Cables to Go brand. They are always very high quality, at a reasonable price. Cables to Go is my go-to brand. I have never had a failure or a problem of any kind. For some reason, I seem to have some trouble finding the Cables to Go brand on Amazon, so I often go to the Cables to Go website to get the correct item numbers, and read any helpful technical literature about fine differences in the cables, but I always buy from Amazon to get a better price. I no longer buy direct. By the way, I highly suggest going from USB 2 to USB 3 for nearly all applications, as it is 10 times faster, and you don't have the problems that you have with SATA cables, which don't like to be over 3 feet long without causing transfer problems. SATA connections suck, once you have tried USB 3. You can have a 10-foot USB 3 cable hooked up to a docking station that is far away, that is safe and protected.